Key Security Systems presents a PowerMaster tutorial video. How to check the trouble displayed on the system. If your system tells you there is a trouble or TRBL is showing on the display or the amber warning triangle is illuminated, then this indicates a fault or faults on the system. To discover the faults, press the OK button. The system will start to speak.
Disarm. Not ready to arm.
Press it again.
Front door. Camper alarm.
Each press of the OK button will now reveal each fault.
Front door. Camper open.
Alternatively, press the star button on your key fob or keypad. The system would then speak and list the troubles.
Disarm. Not ready to arm. Front door. Camper alarm. Front door. Camper open.
Also, if the fault is a low battery in a sensor, then the location will be described and shown on the display, including the zone number. After reading the alarms and troubles messages, and correcting the issues, the messages will be cleared the next time you arm and then disarm the system. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.